3. Present the concepts one by one. You're explaining something complex. Start with the simple things, step by step. Hello, my friend. How to explain difficult topics, complex issues. The 5 steps to do it. And the first one is to speak your audience language. If your audience speaks English, let's speak English. Si tu audiencia habla español, vamos a hablar en español. Si a sua plateia fala português, vamos falar em português. Árabe, árabe. Français, français. I don't speak Arab, I don't speak French. But what I mean here is, let's use the language that is accessible for these people who am I talking to. Let's be on the same ground. This is the first step. Second, let's lit a fire called curiosity. Let's make them interested in our words. 3. Present the concepts one by one. You're explaining something complex. Start with the simple things, step by step, from the simplest to the most complex idea. Step 4. Use metaphors. To be satisfactory, an explanation needs to connect uncomprehended facts with the mental model that we have around the world. Metaphors, analogies are the main means for that because they help give shape to the explanation until it fits. Step 5, give examples. Dale Carnegie explains this, saying, avoid technical terms when addressing a lay audience. Follow Abraham Lincoln's plan of putting your ideas into language plain enough for any boy to comprehend. Appeal to the sense of sight. Use exhibits, pictures, illustrations when possible. Be definite. Don't just say dog if you mean a fox terrier with a black splotch over his right eye. If the essence of your speech is giving an explanation of a new idea, it will be interesting to ask yourself, what do my audience know? What will I use to connect with them? What are the needed concepts to build my explanation? Which metaphors and examples will I use to reveal these concepts? Comment here about a complex issue. Explain this theme. I want to read your explanation. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to convince my audience.